Well, it's finally here. We've got it. The Mac Studio M2 Ultra processor. Super awesome mega computer. Some kind of craziness going on up in here. What do we got? Like, I don't know, 48 cores, 128 gigs of RAM. I'll put the specs in the description, but this is the key. This is where I go from, just making it to really taking things to a whole nother level. Okay, this is it. Look at that. You got your 4 Thunderbolt USB-C ports, got your Ethernet power, you got 2 USB-A's, HDMI in, and of course your headphones out. Little power button on the back. Let's get this thing going. Oh man. Rip that on open. How does it want to open here? Looks like we'll lay it like so. And ta-da! Super similar to the Apple Studio display. Look at that inside that box. Wow. Same thing with the pull down sides. Then you remove the artifact, right? I feel like this is Indiana Jones. Oh, that's got some weight to it. I swear that's heavier than the M1 Mac Studio that I have at work. Okay, so got our beautiful power cable that is braided. I mean, Apple, I don't know how you guys do it. You just knock it out of the park time after time. Beautiful. Okay, and that's most of everything. And then we've got, of course, up here, looks like you might not be able to see that. We'll bring it down a little bit. The little design by Apple in California. Just pull that out. Okay. And then close this box back up. Whew, baby. And then, like I said, with the Mac Studio display, love that fabric handle. Man, it's a nice package. Let's see what we got in this here, designed by Apple. They still doing the stickers? Oh, there it is. The big black Apple sticker right there. Who wants it? Tell me now. It's yours. Mac Studio. Look at that. Get yourself one of those displays and you'll be living large. Okay. Back to the machine itself. Just peel that up, and then of course everything, just like taking a diaper off of a baby. Wow, crazy. What goes into that? This is like some kind of cotton fabric craziness. Soft. Big old sexy Apple logo on there. Again, we saw this in the box as well. If that's just air intake or if it's speaker where the sound comes out of as well. But and yeah, you don't want to use that as your main source of audio. The Mac Studio display, on the other hand, is pretty decent. Okay, so that concludes this video. We'll go ahead and set this up, fire it up, maybe install some stuff, and then give you a little a video, you know, with some benchmarks, particularly on Cinema 4D. Skadoosh.